Hey everyone, it's your girl Jess. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Grissett. My channel name goes by Lady Grissett. Welcome. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, so I hope you consider subscribing. With that being said, you guys, I'm sorry I've been missing in action. Mom life has been getting the best of me. My girls have been sick. You guys know it's around that back to school season time, kids get sick. But my youngest one has been really sick, not due to any crazy illnesses that she can catch from someone else. She has a lot of her own medical issues going on. And we're just taking it one day at a time. So we've been super busy and exhausted over here, just taking care of her, getting her back to being healthy. She does have a surgery coming up, so definitely send your prayers this way. My daughter was born with her heart and organs on the wrong side of her body. Leah Marie was, and we don't know why. She just was born that way. However, she's been having some complications, and we've been seeing specialists now for a little while, I want to say, but we've been back and forth to the hospital and amongst other doctors we are finally seeing specialists, and we're traveling from one state to another for her care. So I've been extremely busy. So that's why I have not been here on, oops, hold on you guys, sorry, here on YouTube. So I do apologize, and I haven't been able to put out all these decorate with me videos for fall like I wanted to. We actually haven't been able to enjoy fall this year the way we would like. However, I still wanted to get on here and do a tour of my downstairs of my home, because it is decorated, as you guys can probably see. It is decorated for the fall, and I wanted to show you guys that. You guys know I have a small little cottage style home that I absolutely love. I'm not complaining about it, so don't think that. I absolutely love it. So I don't have much space in a sense of having to decorate this ginormous home. You guys already seen how I decorated the outside of my home, how I decorated my hutch. So I'm just going to give you a quick little tour of the downstairs area. My dining room, which I'm sitting in, my living room, and my kitchen. I was gonna do decorate with me, but because it's almost the end of the fall season, I just figure there's no point in that. I might as well just show you, because it's already been decorated for a while now. And I have been so busy that I haven't been able to have the time to even get here on YouTube, get on YouTube and show you guys anything. And I want to be able to show you guys something as well. You guys, I wanted to let you guys know that I did not decorate my home this year for Halloween. It's just I don't really ever decorate that much for Halloween. We just really weren't in the Halloween spirit. I know that sounds crazy, especially since we do love trick-or-treating and stuff. We still will be doing that, but I think just the world has just, life got to us, world gets busy, things happen, but we didn't really especially me, I didn't like anything I saw in store. I know my girls didn't really like anything that they saw in store this year for Halloween decor. We weren't really into the disco ball theme they had for Halloween, the bright colors. We more so traditional colors. You will see in the tour that I have jack-o'-lantern pillows out, a salt and pepper shaker that's jack-o'-lantern, and my coffee mug, but that's really about it. Maybe next year, but we're more so Christmas people, so we've been preparing for Christmas. So just want to let you guys know that I will not be decorating for Halloween at all. But I hope you enjoyed this video. You will get a night shot of how it looks here at night. I think it's so gorgeous. The twinkle lights here over the garland it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It just gives me that cozy cottage feel that I'm going for. And yeah, you guys, this is it. This is real. This is how I decorate my home, the way we love it. It's comfy, it's cozy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave me comments down below. I love to interact with you all, and stay tuned. I will see you guys in my next future video, which most likely will be a Christmas haul. So I'll see you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your fall, you guys. Love y'all all. Bye. you.